Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sailing Mistreated. In this episode, we're going to go from New Bern, North Carolina down to Oriental, North Carolina via the Neuse River. As we prepare the boat and have our morning breakfast, we're listening to the weather, and gale force winds are expected in the area throughout the weekend with lots of rain. As the Neuse River does offer some protection from the weather, and there are a few anchorages that we can slip into, and we're still close to the marina, we decided to go ahead and set sail. On Friday, as the winds in the Neuse River were fairly calm, everyone decided to take a turn at the helm. We got somewhat of a late start, and after sailing up and down the Neuse River, we decided to try to find an anchorage and have a nice dinner.
She's ready to go. Do it.
The next morning, we were up early, had breakfast, and headed out of the anchorage back down the Neuse River towards Oriental. As we got closer to the Pamlico Sound, the weather continued to deteriorate. At first it was just rain and then heavier rain, and by the time we were well into the Pamlico Sound, the winds were over 25 miles an hour on a constant basis. With heavy rains, near zero visibility, and now our mainsail blown out from the heavy winds, we decided to head back to the protection of an anchorage in the Neuse River, under Genoa alone.
I had enough of that.
The winds were much calmer in the Pamlico Sound, and we sailed all the way back close to New Bern, where we went into an anchorage for the night. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.